Hey everyone! The concept of without prejudice is a critical aspect of legal communications here in Singapore, allowing parties to negotiate settlements freely without the risk of their statements being used against them in court. This principle fosters an environment of open dialogue and cooperation, enabling disputes to be resolved amicably rather than through costly and time-consuming litigation. The doctrine originates from English common law and has been firmly entrenched in Singapore's legal system, with its purpose rooted in public policy to encourage honest and candid discussions during settlement negotiations. Under Singapore law, communications labelled without prejudice are protected from being admissible in court, provided they are part of genuine settlement discussions. However, the privilege is not absolute, and courts will scrutinize the substance of the communication rather than relying solely on the label. If a document marked without prejudice does not genuinely pertain to settlement negotiations, it will not be privileged. Furthermore, there are exceptions to this privilege. For instance, such communications may be admitted in court to prove whether a settlement was reached, to determine bad faith during negotiations, or to address instances of fraud or misrepresentation. Additionally, if a party voluntarily discloses or relies on without prejudice communications, the privilege may be waived either intentionally or unintentionally. The Singapore case of Ted Bates and Babil Singh Joel highlights the misuse of the without prejudice label. In this instance, the court determined that merely marking a document as without prejudice did not automatically confer privilege. The document's intent and content were examined, and it was concluded that the privilege only applies when the communication aligns with the purpose of genuine settlement negotiations. This judgment underscores the importance of substance over form, ensuring that the doctrine is not used to shield improper conduct or bad faith. To use without prejudice communications effectively, it is essential to ensure that they are genuine attempts at resolving disputes. Avoid using the label for unrelated correspondence and explicitly state that the communication is made in the context of settlement discussions. Be mindful of the exceptions to the privilege and avoid any actions that could unintentionally waive it. Consistency in maintaining the scope of settlement discussions is also crucial. For those unsure about the applicability of the privilege, consulting with a legal professional is advisable. The without prejudice privilege significantly impacts settlement negotiations by enabling parties to engage in honest discussions without fear of legal repercussions. It is a cornerstone of fair dispute resolution and a powerful tool for fostering trust and collaboration. However, its misuse can undermine its purpose. Attempts to conceal fraudulent conduct or make insincere offers under the guise of privilege can lead to legal complications. Singapore's courts have established clear boundaries to balance the protection of genuine settlement efforts with the need to prevent abuse, ensuring the privilege serves its intended purpose. In conclusion, the without prejudice privilege is an essential element of legal practice here in Singapore, promoting settlements and reducing the need for litigation. Its proper use ensures fair and efficient dispute resolution, benefiting all parties involved. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.